the actual design for this radiator was brilliant. What they did was, instead of having an offset radiator, they took the regular air-cooled, fan-mounted engine part, which, let's take a look at this racing engine. Hi, baby. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Kids today. That's to show you, yes, I have kids, and I'm not living in my grandmother's basement, and la la la. Okay, so if we had the fan mounted right here, which this is a stock fan, which nothing has been beat. I gotta wash that damn thing. Anyway, the stock fan goes right here. Okay. What the Honda did was they mounted their radiator right next to the fan, as you can see, and what it did was it sucked air directly through the fan, and you had your water outlet and inlets go directly to this fan. The problem is, when you're using a mega pipe like this, it doesn't work with the stock. It doesn't work unless you have a stock pipe. And if you've ever seen a stock Honda Ruckus pipe, they have this little tiny 3/4 inch pipe that comes down like this, goes underneath, and then it goes into a muffler. It's not like this big giant. You know, you could make a porno with this pipe. It's that, or either go to war and you wouldn't need a gun. You just take this and club the enemy to death, because this thing is so damn sexy. It just is. If better pipes and gardens, home and gardens, showed up with a photographer, they'd want to take a picture of this pipe. It is just awesome. Now, Steve had another one at the time, which I want to buy, which I would like to buy when I am able to buy it. But it's the same pipe, except that this part right here is curled underneath. But it's the same damn pipe. It's just one of these pipes, and I don't know if they're available, if they just come around once in a while. I have no idea. But anyway, I was thinking of trying to put the radiator right here, which would have worked, except it won't work with this pipe, which I knew it wouldn't work. So I'm going to have to go with putting this up in front of the wind. They call it the windscreen. And I want to see if this design, which is a Honda design, like I said, I had some money a couple years ago, and I was working so hard. I work 6 days a week, take a day off, Sunday, and just sleep and get back up and do it again for these cocksuckers who ended up telling me that, well, I'm 60 years old, I'm not working hard enough, and I got to work another 50 hours a week. And I said, you know what? Okay, I worked for you fucking cocksuckers 5 years, and after 4.5 months of me leaving, the place shuts down completely after 50 years. You know what? Boo fucking who. But what it did, I have to say, is that my wife has a job working for the state, which anyone can, if you get certified and you're not a convicted felon or have too damn many parking tickets, you can get a job like this and work anywhere. It's a great job. It's a great union job. They pay good money. I mean, it's okay money, but they got health benefits. And if you're old, health benefits are gold. That's all I want. Because I could fall down and break a hip or do some other kind of bullshit and I'd be screwed. So what I've done is I've taken all winter and I have put together my parts, put together everything I think that should be on here, and I am praying that this motor will run. I will not know until I take it over the first time. And already I found some problems, which my own problems, I have doubts. I have doubts because I fucked up on something, and I built the engine, I built it perfectly, and then I got to tearing down the peripheral parts and I found a small problem. I'm thinking, oh my God. It was just one of them things, but then again, Hondas are tough engines, and we'll see.